Hey everyone, I got another flying broom video here for you. Last time I did Harry Potter's broom, let's talk about Ron Weasley's broom. He had a Cleansweep 11. Now, the Cleansweep brooms, they weren't too bad. They weren't the most exotic sports cars out there, but they weren't a bad utilitarian broom. In fact, many people had Cleansweep 9s for many years. Now, the Cleansweep 11, when Ron got one, was the top of the line of that manufacturer. And he claimed that it could do 0 to 70 miles per hour in only 10 seconds. And we also assumed that 70 miles per hour was the maximum speed. So using the constant acceleration formulas I used earlier, I can once again produce a whole bunch of performance stats and figures. Well, let's start off with the maximum speed. We know it was 70 miles per hour. That rounds to about 113 kilometers an hour. So let's go through the acceleration. The 0 to 30 kilometer an hour mark would be in 2.66 seconds, 0 to 40 in 3.55, 0 to 50 in 4.44, 0 to 60 in 5.32, 0 to 70 in 6.21, 0 to 80 in 7.1, 0 to 90 in 7.99 seconds. The 0 to 100 kilometer an hour mark, which is basically 62 miles per hour, would be in 8.87 seconds. And the 0 to 110 kilometer mark would be in 9.76. Now let's go into miles per hour. 0 to 20 miles per hour in 2.86 seconds, 0 to 30 miles per hour in 4.29, 0 to 40 in 5.71, 0 to 50 in 7.14, and 0 to 60 in 8.57 seconds, with a 0 to 70 mile per hour time, of course, of 10 seconds. Let's go a little bit into drag times. The quarter mile is completed in 17.857 seconds, with a speed of 70 miles per hour. Now, the flying kilometer is completed in 36.956 seconds. Now, if you went to a drag strip and you wanted to see what type of slip you would create, well, this is what it would look like. The 0 to 60 foot mark would be completed in 3.419 seconds, to 330 feet in 8.018 seconds, and the 8th mile, or 660 feet, would be completed in 11.429 seconds. Now, the speed actually at the 8th mile will already be 70 miles per hour. The 1,000 foot mark would be completed in 14.74 seconds, and the quarter mile will be completed in 17.857, again, at a speed of 70 miles per hour. Now, overtaking factors. The speed between 60 and 100 kilometers an hour will be 3.55 seconds, and 40 to 70 miles per hour in 4.29 seconds. Now, the interesting thing is this broom would keep in pace with probably an EcoBox type of car. It's not a sports car. I mean, if you had maybe something like a luxury car from the late 50s, early 60s with a decent engine, it would probably keep in pace with this broom. So, once again, it's not the fastest thing ever created, but it's not a bad thing to have. So that's Ron Weasley's broom. Take care.